Ever wondered what happens once you place an order with us? Let's take you behind the scenes at Muffin HQ and meet those who pack them. Once your order is placed, it appears right here on our dashboard. Our dedicated customer care executive, Shraddha, jumps into action. Shraddha carefully prepares the shipping label and checks which one of our trusted shipping partners can serve your order's PIN code. After double checking the details, the shipping label is printed and handed over to our operations manager, Sachin, who meticulously picks out your order from our inventory. Today, we have a stunning cloud gray formal shirt in size L. The order is then passed on to Pramod, our operations executive. He expertly packs your order, making sure it's well protected and ready for its journey. And here, the big moment has arrived. All the orders are scanned and picked up by our trusted delivery partner for speedy dispatch. And just like that, your order is on its way to you, ready to be unwrapped. So, what are you waiting for? Shop now and be part of our growing muffin family.